Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Springday Strawberry Black Tea recipe in Heartopia. So in this latest update in Heartopia, there is a new event, Dreamlike Cinematics event, and then at this event you can cook any limited food and drinks. And one of them is Springday Strawberry Black Tea like this. But first you need to unlock the recipe. And to unlock it, just go to your popcorn serving card that you already craft, and then just tap on it, and then next just choose the Springday fruit black tea recipe for the original recipe like this, and then next just replace these fruit ingredients to strawberry like this, and when you're done just simply tap on start cooking. And okay, like this, you will see the animations that you successfully unlock the Springday Strawberry Black Tea like this. And then for the recipe, it will automatically add it to your food recipes list like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.